Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a data frame using data from a text file. For that purpose we will be using the read table method of pandas library, to which two parameters are important. The first one is the path of the file and second one is separator. Besides separator we can also pass delimiter, that is another name for this separator, or we can have another parameter delim underscore white space equal to true or false boolean value. That will force the read table function to read the data from the file with the delimiter of space. That means it will take one value. If white space come, then next value, then if there are certain white spaces, then between the white spaces those data that are written will be read as value. So moving to the programming mode, we will first need to import pandas as PD. After importing pandas, we will use the pandas read table function, and in this function we will pass the location of this file .txt. Now this method reads the data from the table.txt file into the data frame df. If we try to print it, df is now, you can observe a data frame that have 3 columns and 4 rows. The column names are India, Japan and Korea, while row or indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3. If you observe the file table.file.txt, you can see there is a difference of a tab between each word. India, Japan and Korea are differentiated with one tab. Then in the next line, the numbers are differentiated with one tab. So here the first row works as the column name, and second row, third row and all other rows in this file is read as the row values for each of the column, and there is the difference of tab between each of these words. Now if you suppose you put comma instead of tab between these words, you write comma between these words and then see what happens. Save it, again try to read the table and print it. You can observe here, because there is no gap of a tab. Tab is a by default general delimiter of the table file in case we want to read a table data from the file using read table method. So because there is no tab between these words, we can see the column name. There is only one column. The column name is India, Japan, Korea, while we have 4 rows and values of each column are 3. That means if you print df dot columns 0, you get the column name, and if you print the row value, then for the first row we have only one value. Similarly, you can modify it and pass here the column name. The column name is given. There are certain ways in which we can find the values of each column and row, or we can use LOC function and pass it the row and column values. Row number 0, comma, the column value. It prints the particular value. Remember, it is a string now because here the commas is also the part of the data. Now, after doing this, suppose you want to change the file again. After doing this, now suppose you want to read these data as separate values. Not a single value, not a single string value, but different integer values. You can simply use this function. While separator parameter is defining as comma. Here you see that there are three different columns. Here you see three different columns. India, Japan, Korea are three different columns, and you can print the first value using the location function. You pass first the row number and then you can pass any of the column name. It prints the particular value that matches to that row and column. So it is the number of 0th row and second column Japan. Similarly, you can change comma to space. Save it and execute again with the separator as space. Again, you can see all the values have read separately. So this way we learn how to read data into the data frame from a text file, and that text file is being saved as .txt extension, where you can define your own separator. For example, in this file, the separator between each word has been taken as space, and when calling the read table function, the separator has been provided as space. So it clearly reads all the data at separate values. Thank you.